Hi everyone, I'm Allie.
I'm Nathan.
And we are here with PotomacBeads, and this Better Beader episode, we are going to show you how to solve a problem that comes up a ton. We actually had this as an issue come up in our Facebook
And we
group.
posted answers to this many times, but it still comes up. So maybe with a video, it makes it easier. And the topic is left-handed beaters following right-handed beading videos. There's a very easy way to simply flip any video from right to left.
Get out your mirror, your hand mirror.
Without using mirrors, without doing any of the complicated things people were trying to do to flip. It's just a one-click Chrome extension. And you can do this in Google Chrome, which you can do on Apple devices, iOS devices, Android devices, regular computers, anything that runs Google Chrome.
So behind us on the screen here, you can see that little YouTube video flipper. All I did was a simple Google search. I'm logged into my Google Chrome account, and I did a simple search for how to flip YouTube videos.
Right. So all you have to do is just Google this, YouTube video flipper, and click the Add to Chrome button.
So I'm going to add this to my Chrome account, and I'm adding it as an extension. And
Allie has to do this only because she's logged into multiple computers.
And I'm going to switch here. Nope, it's not going to let me.
No, and now it's added. So go over to the YouTube.
All right, now I'm going to the YouTube projects here.
Reload that page.
I'm going to reload this page.
And
oh, look, it came up. So right here, you can see me kind of hovering over. I'm going to show you a different image here. So ready? We're going to do some magic
now we'll
here.
flip text.
One.
Let's skip ahead to where the project's actually happening.
All right, he's instructed me. Ready? Ready? I'm currently using my right hand. Ready? And flip it! Whoa, it's now for left-handed beaders. It's actually the first time I did this,
and you
so
can
it's
go
pretty
back
cool.
and forth at any part of the project.
And if I decide I want to be a right-handed beader now, I'm just going to flip that and become a right-handed beader. So when you're going in and you're looking at all of these things, it's very, very, very simple. And you can see here I pulled up to highlight that flip video, and that's going to easily flip from the right to the left. So if you have a left-handed beater that you really want to watch, you can flip them to right if you're right-hand dominant. And then I always like to give a little helpful hint. Once you start beading, the right and the left usually have no bearing whatsoever on you learning a project because you know the basic stitches.
Right. It's just a matter of how you're pulling it through.
Correct. And you can also keep in mind that if you are struggling with your left and your right, a 2-needle project is going to be a really, really simple way. But this simple flip video is huge and changing, and one simple click to add to your Google Chrome account.
Now keep in mind this works on Chrome. It's not going to work on the YouTube app in any app store. So, but you can always go to Chrome and simply load YouTube from there on any device.
Perfect. So with the simple help of a Google search and Nathan sitting down and showing me what to click that you guys watched also and walking through it, I can now be a left-handed beader.
Yep. Should only take a couple seconds and it'll make it easier for you.
Make it easier. So the idea of these Better Beader episodes are that they do, in fact, make you a better beader. This hopefully will be helpful to you in multitudes of different ways. You have different crafts that you may do. You may knit, you may go in and do scrapbooking, and you can flip any of those videos as well.
Yep.
So very, very simple.
Oh, and don't forget you can adjust the speed too.
Yes.
The same period.
I speak very quickly, so I know that in that little wheel setting that's right near that flip and reverse that you just added, you can actually slow me down as well.
0.75 or speed you up to 1.25.
Or you can speed me up and I can sound like a chipmunk, both ways. So as always, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully this little helpful edition of my IT guy and this Better Beader episode will make it easier for you to access and use the YouTube videos.
Thanks.